Okay, let's continue in our series of video discussions about trade settings. Yay, we begin. Okay, so let's use a coin we've not seen. Okay, most guys used to go for the coin with the highest percentage dip. Like on my screen right now, I have a 22, I have a 13, and then which other one? I have a 9. So I would go for the one Acro. Acro is a very good coin and it's currently undervalued by 22%. So it's undervalued. Okay, so I'll go for Acro with minus 22% because once it shoots up, it shoots back up by 22%. All right, that's what some guys do, those who do one-shot trading. Okay, so right in this video, I'm going to teach us how to set up a trade setting for a $200 per coin. $200 trade settings per coin. All right, like we have learned in other videos, straight to the trade settings. Oh, how did I get it? Let me put you through. Okay, you're on Binance right now. If you're trading on Binance, or if you're on Hobby, you change to Hobby. I'm on Binance. I have my coin on Binance. Okay, so I'll go to Acro. Once you click it, it opens up this way, and then you I like setting my strategy mode first. Oh, it won't allow me to do that first. Okay, I go to trade settings to set it up. I start with 10 USDT. I love that because I will buy in multiple times, $10 later on. Okay, so what am I saying? Leave it as first buying amount 10 USDT, and then margin call limits for a $200 trade settings. You open 19 margin call limits. So you type in 19. Okay, the whole position take profit amounts, say 1.1%. Whole position take profit callback, say 0.1. Buy in callback, leave it at 0.5. Distributed and take profit allocation, let's go, because we are setting 19. Everything will open up to 19. Okay, okay, from the fifth sub position, I want a 1.1 straight down to the 10th. I want the robot to begin to take profit at 1.1%. Recognize profits from 1.1% down to the 10th. Okay, now the 11th straight down, I can leave those ones at 1.3. It depends on whatever you want to set, you know. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. I changed this. Why didn't it change? One. Confirm, and then straight you go. Okay, right now we need to move to the margin configuration, and that is the art of the RoyalQ Robot. Click on this button and then you're in. Because we selected 19, it's going to open 19 margin call drop boxes. So let's go. For a $200 trade settings, the first margin call is 0.7, the next one 0.7, the next one 0.5, the next one is 0.8, the next one is 0.8. Okay, the first four always maintain. It's not a financial advice anyway, but I love this because I want my trade to move out of the first 4 calls as soon as possible. Why? Because RoyalQ Robot, the way it is programmed, it sells these 4 calls together in lump sum as a whole sale. Okay, so if you had 0.7 plus 0.7, that's 1.4, plus 0.8 plus 0.8, that's 3%. Okay, if there is a 3% dip and then there is another 4% rise, definitely this trade will execute. Okay, that's why I want it to be minimal. right? So I want to quickly exit the first to the fourth. That's why I have it to be these figures. So whatever I want it to buy, it has to be one time within those four. Okay, the fifth, from the fifth, you have changed this to 1%, change to 2, and then you can begin to, play with it. You can play along with it anyway. It's not constant. You adopt exact method. You can increase the percentages, but this is the way I want it to go. This is the way I want it to go. Okay, so I have 3%. Okay, there has to be 3%. Okay, then from the 11th to the 15th, let's see. Okay, I'm coming, trying to look at my settings again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from the 12th, we change to 3.5. Then we have 3.5, 3.5, and then 3.5, and then this and for let me start with it. 6, 5, and then 4, and then I can make these 4% as well. Okay, and then all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I wanted to buy one time at those levels. Let me move from the top, because from the 1st to the 9th should be 1. 1st to the 9th should be one time. I wanted to buy one time, and then this is this is this, and then from the 10th I want 1.1, 1.1 there. I want 1.2 here. I wanted to buy 1.2 times $10. That's the meaning. And then here I want 1.3. And in case it doesn't stop there and it continues to fall in price, continue to buy for me. One time $10, one time $10, till you get to the 19th call. Okay, this is absolutely fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic. Okay, yeah, let me see. This is absolutely fantastic. And okay, these has to be 1 to 2.5. Okay, I think we are good. By the time you calculate this, you should have 53% deep coverage rather. This should be 60, and that will be 54. I don't know why I have one missing. I don't know, I have one missing. But do not worry, you calculate this, you should have 53% to 54% deep levels covered. So this covers 53% deep, and you would buy this number of times. By the time you had all of this together, you should have everything to arrive at 200 and 210 instead of 210. You could, yeah, 210. You could remove, let's see, you could make everything 210 by this setting, or you could make everything to be 111 all true. That will give you, let me see, sorry, trying to calculate using my laptop, and let me see if it is going to arrive at what I have set. Okay, do not worry. So this is 210 settings. Okay, all you need to do is confirm and then save, and then check your strategy mode and then put it on sub-bin mode, real-time settlement, confirm. And then once you are done and you confirm that everything is fine, and then you have that on cycle right on the top left bottom, top left corner, and then this is on submin, and then you have sure you have changed this, confirm each one of these are what you have set, confirm that, and then once it's all fine and good, if you want to set your presets, first preset buying amount, if you don't want to buy at 0.026, you want to buy at 0.025. This is where I got the figures I just dictated. Current price, that's the current price. If you want to buy at 0.024 or 22 or 0.02, then you can click on the first preset amount and then type in your preset amount you want to enter the market. You believe it's still going to fall, bam, confirm, and then you start. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.